On today's body cam, we're checking out no nonsense cop confronts 19-year-old after attacking coworker ends badly.
On January 11th, 2026, officers responded to a call of a battery between two employees.
Please come over here.
This shouldn't have happened. I'm sorry. Okay, this shouldn't have happened.
So what all happened from your side
I was talking to my coworker. Yes, I was texting my coworker. Yes, we were friends and everything, but we stopped talking. He came today to talk about a situation that happened between me and him to see what was going on. Came or whatever, and it just blew out of proportion.
Okay. At any point, because when I asked this, you seemed a little hesitant. At any point, did it become physical today? Hitting, punching, slapping?
He was just pushing me. That was it. But there's nothing happened. Literally nothing happened. It was literally, that was it. Nothing happened.
So the answer is yes.
Okay, it wasn't like him trying to hurt you or nothing? You're not injured?
No, I'm completely fine. Okay. I'm completely fine. Okay. This shouldn't have happened. That's literally, this should not have happened. I work here. That's it. This should not have happened.
Okay.
This shouldn't have happened. I'm so embarrassed right now. This shouldn't have happened.
Okay, so basically, you showed up to your work, saw you in a car with a coworker having a conversation.
Yes.
You guys got in a domestic argument about that and whatever else is going on in your life. Mm-hmm. At most, there was a little bit of shoving, but nothing more than that. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Let me go talk to him real quick, and then we'll try and get everyone separated, get out of here so it's not causing a big scene, okay?
Okay.
Do you work here at the Marriott?
Yes, I work here, sir.
Are you currently on shift?
No,
now?
I'm not.
No.
I'm not.
You go.
I don't know. I'm trying to figure out that right now.
Does he work here too?
Yes, but he's not. He doesn't work today.
Okay.
This does not involve him, bro. This does not involve him. This should not involve him. It does not involve
him. We're trying to just put the piece of the puzzle together. We got called a 911 call of a disturbance in the parking lot. We're just trying to put the pieces together.
Was there a coat found or anything? Because he's missing his coat.
I wish we could see the side of the other person, or are they going to show the side, the other person who's involved in this? I want to hear the cop, I want to hear both sides of the story. You know what I'm saying? Because it's, you have the suspect, you have the victim, and then somewhere right in the middle is the actual truth.
What are you doing?
We're trying to find his coat.
I'm trying to find his coat.
Hold on.
Can I go into my department really quick?
No, we're going to stay here until this officer's in charge. I'm just here as a backup, right? So once we figure out everything, then he can go. Okay. I can't just let you go just yet, though.
At least to get my coat from my car.
Where's your car?
Over there by Panera. Can you please walk with me, sir?
Go. Hey, Steiner, she's just getting her coat real quick. I'll walk over and walk back.
What are you doing, sir? What are you doing?
We're trying to find his coat.
I'm trying to find his coat.
Hold on.
Come on, body cam. Yo, what y'all doing? Y'all trying to stretch the content? What the hell? Come on, man. What I got going on?
This bench up here, you're going to sit down on it. What's that? I can't hear you.
Nah, something is off. Why she walking so fast?
No. Right here. We're not going in there right now. We're not going in there right now.
Don't do that to me.
We're not going in there.
Don't touch me. Do not touch
I just said we're not going in.
Where is his coat at? Where's his coat at?
We're not going in there right
Not
now.
touch me, please. I'm asking you nicely.
You're detained,
No,
okay?
I'm not detained.
Yes, you are.
Where is this code at? I don't know.
And this is a prime example of why if you've been on this channel for a little while, you would know. This is why you give an inch, they take a mile. That's why the answer is always no. It was so much easier that way. You know what I mean? The answer is no. Can you go get your jacket? No, right? Because you should have had your jacket. Okay? You should have had your jacket. You got to figure things out. You stay put, stay right here. Why? Let her go, walk all the way across the parking lot and do all of that because you think that you're doing a nice gesture or whatever. Okay, it's January. It's cold. All right, let me go let her get her jacket. But now she taking you on a fucking on a merry-go-round mission and want to do this and do that and walk fast. And that's why I said, wait, hold on. Something is off. She's walking way too fast. And see, it's always no. The answer is always no.
You guys don't know whose code is at all? Huh? You guys don't know whose code is at all. He's looking for his code. That's all he needs.
No. No. I told you not to go in there.
Don't go in. But listen, but it's either because
I don't know where his code is at. I don't know what happened. I don't know where his code is at.
there was a.
Well, they'll figure it out. The code will show up, all right? We're more worried about...
RC's fine. Everybody's fine.
All right, then. Go sit on the bench.
Please, get your hand off me.
Yeah, gladly. You're going to sit on the bench.
Please don't.
Sit on the bench.
Oh my God, bro. No, what are you doing right now?
You're under arrest. You don't push an officer.
I cannot push him off. What are you doing right now? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Please don't do that. Why are you doing this to me? I didn't do anything, bro. What are you doing right now?
See how simple that was? You don't push an officer, Einstein. Sit down on the bench and stop this thing.
Bro, what are you doing?
This is not your show, all right?
What are you, bro? What is going on right now? Why are you?
47-1 detained.
Bro, get me out of these handcuffs. Bro, get me out of these handcuffs, man. What are you doing? Bro, I did not do anything wrong right now.
You just pushed an officer. You don't push an officer.
You're hurting me. You're literally hurting me. What are you
I told you not to go in the building, and you pushed an officer.
I was trying to grab your coat. I was trying to grab your coat, bro. What the I was trying to ask about the code and you knew that. You knew that,
I told you not to go in the building, and then you pushed an
I
officer.
did not push you.
You don't do that. You don't put your hands on an officer. Lesson learned, huh?
Bro, I did not push you. I tried to get your hands off of me because you were hurting me.
You don't
You're
push
so
an
much
officer.
stronger than me, though,
That's
sir.
nice. You listen to officers. Lesson learned.
Oh my God, this is so embarrassing right now. What is happening right now? Can you please? I won't do anything. Please get me out of these handcuffs, though. Please.
Nope. You're sitting here in handcuffs. You're
Yeah, you going to jail now. You definitely going now. Oh my goodness. I hope it was worth it, man. She doing the most over another man's jacket. Not even it's not even her jacket. Another man's jacket. Caused her to go in handcuffs, man, because she don't know how to act.
that privilege, all right? You could have acted like a reasonable adult, but you didn't do that, did you?
Shouldn't be pushing.
I wasn't pushing it, though. No, this is. Oh my God, bro. You
Hey,
shouldn't have.
You're this and over here too.
No, he's not. He's not even there. I tried to see if he was in there to see if I could get the code. He's not
Hey,
there.
can we throw her in your squad car?
What?
Throw her in your
No,
squad
you
car.
don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. You don't need
Good?
to do that.
All right, get up. Get up.
What is going on?
Get up.
Don't cry now.
Do anything wrong. You seen I was being nice, bro. I didn't do anything wrong, sir. You knew
Pushing
that.
an officer's nice? That doesn't seem very nice to me.
Bro, I was not pushing an officer.
The woman was charged with battery on law enforcement, and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching.